You just brought up a name there, Ricky Trooper, Killamanjaro. I know you did crazy amount of dub work over at Killamanjaro for Trooper. How did you guys connect in the first place?
You know, say just to be in the street and Trooper, as Trooper is a person with us, people always want to kill Trooper in a clash. So Trooper always go around and look for some weird type of lyrics because something in the clash. So him always is super god. Trooper got a hair for music. Yeah, he's like that. A lot of these persons, though, the Trooper does got a hair for music, and hear for music and. Him hears a sizzler down a caveman every day a bonfire. And you have a Fantan Moja them there, Fantan Moja them a lift up truck, a lift up speaker box with Jaro. Sizzler them a lift up speaker box with caveman. So we understand Fantan Moja. Yeah. So you know, and that's the whole connection. And you have Killamanjaro, you have caveman and caveman fixed speakers. You know, Ray, caveman, the fixed speaker, wire speaker, and a cone speaker, and then Father Jaro, them fix amp on them something there. So you find that these two champion caveman and Jaro, they're gonna link, and then Key Trooper like one idiot. No, him just go around and cut dubplate every day. Him and buggy them. I don't know what do them. And then link up no one Trooper come, they go hear me and make something and love them and him start beat them out. So till one night time, I just chill and I watch every little thing and Trooper come and cuss again and say, "Sister, nothing go on, you know, I mean, no song, you know, come ready, bro. I go crash tomorrow, more song. You have to make a song on the spot." Adjust the whole vibration, you know. And and not only Trooper, like I said, Trooper, you know, you go back to all fire links now. And when the Mataran now, you're going back to Renaissance now and Jazzy T them now, you're going back to Stool. You might tell you, beauty in Jamaica. The Jamaican nation, people full of beauty and joy in the sunshine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Crazy right there. Because I know, did you ever link with Garnet Silk? Because I know Trooper was linking with you, Lucian, and Garnet Silk were the three that he was doing a lot of dub work with.
Yes.
You did link with Garnet Silk?
Yeah, Garnet Silk. A whole heap of nights at Anchor Studio. Yeah. I saw Anchor's 978-2711. I saw Anchor Studio number go. I still remember Anchor 978-2711, 7 Windsor Avenue. Yeah. Dennis Brown, Father Dennis Brown, Father Gregory, Jimmy Riley, Garnet Silk, Utan Green, President Brown, Ainika Mosey, Coco T, Master Griffiths, you know? Them great people there, yeah. I met all those persons. Father Bunny Wheeler, yeah. Orius Andy, Father Culture, Stealing. John Wood, yeah. All those great persons. I met all those great persons. Nice. But the same like that.
Look like?
Garnet Silk was a very humble person. Doesn't speak a lot. Easygoing. Love His Majesty very much. He's always speaking about His Majesty. President Brown, Utan Green, they're always talking about His Majesty. The thing with Exterminator, Lucian, Sizzla, Jesse Gender, Ragnar Pizer, Shadowman, and Utan Green, Garnet Silk, they were like one, you know. It's just that you have the Exterminator differently when you have a different set. And Garnet Silk were like much older brothers, like for Sizzla. You know, Sizzla was really little one. Sizzla a little one in IPAC.
Yeah. Little what?
Yeah.
Crazy. You did a lot of stuff.
It's a beautiful soul, you know?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.